Yo, wag kayo masyadong madami diyan sa ano gate. Only the tanks. Just like 3 people bonking. 3 to 4 people bonking, okay? So that the guardian can reach. Yo, kill your eyes ah. I need someone to check if there's another Zerga.
Nako, may one shot sa likod.
Yo, one shot on north side. I need one tank looking at it. Everyone southwest 5. Everyone 4, 3, 2, 1 southwest. Kill this, kill it. Oh, nice.
Ina mo ba?
One down na.
Tagatapos ng kill.
Everyone get ready to headbutt again, guys.
Yung GA looking ah.
Eh,
Bang, ingat kayo dyan, Bang, ha? Nasa
yo, get ready to
ano,
headbutt, okay? Get ready, ah. Headbutt 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full headbutt.
Matay ko ulit nila.
Naka-golem form. Okay lang. Ba't may longbow? Reset your cooldown. Yo, look at the north side GA. Everyone on the north side GA. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the north side GA. Kill this guy. Come north.
Natulak ko.
Okay. Yo, bam. Kill this bomb. Help north side. Okay. Catch it. Did you guys catch? Okay, come back. It's okay. Come back. Fine, it's fine.
Yung kibos na lang, yun. Ba't may guards? Saan ka ba yung
Everyone, defend. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the caller here. Okay, come on. Actually, no. I'll just wait for him to turn, to turn back to human before we engage.
guards?
Yo, kill the guards inside, guys. Where's the guards?
Ito.
Everyone on the guards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the guards. Kill the guard. Yo, careful over the wall, ah. Just guard rune it. Rotate your guard runes, okay?
Nagamit ko yung defensive demon.
It's fine.
Sige lang, may demon pa ako.
Yo, there's another big blob. What's there this arena now? 26, okay? Everyone, come north side. Kite with me. Come north side, okay? Everyone OC. Yo, Marlica, get ready. Everyone, get ready. Wake up. Real fights here. Come south. Where's enemy? Come south. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Ay, come back north. Reset. Yo, left tanks, peel lang. Tell me if they're coming, okay? Where are they? Come south.
Southeast.
Come south.
Nasa labas, southeast.
Okay.
Pumasok southwest.
Okay. Yo, careful. Get ready, okay? Yung Q mo pa-stack, bend over the wall southwest. Come north. Left tank, watch west. Yo, we go to the choke. Okay, we go to the choke. Keep coming. After this, we kite east side on the choke, east side, You see the east side choke there? Okay? Yo, everyone counter. 5, shallow. 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter shallow. Now full kite east side now. East side. Okay, we're gonna reset our cooldowns, Reset your cooldowns, east side, okay? Yo, def tanks, come. You're too far away. Keep kite east side. Okay? Come east side, okay? Let them follow us, boys. Are they following? Walk west now.
No.
Walk west now. Yo, do we still have a cult? Okay. Yo, get ready, Bang, it's your time,
Mag-heal ka lang.
Yo, wait. Come south. Step up a bit. Okay, a bit lang. Wait. Get ready to go back north, okay?
Nasa southwest sila.
Yeah, I see.
Tingnan ko likod
Yeah. Yo, Bang, Leandro, get ready to fake, Step up southwest. Give me a fake southwest. Hold. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Kite back. To the choke. Run to the choke, man, niggas. They're coming. Call is coming. Ready. Defend shallow. Defend shallow, pass the choke. Defend pass the choke. Defend pass the choke, okay? Reset your cooldown, pass the choke. Reset your cooldown, pass the choke. You have cooldown? Tell me if you have cooldown. Tell me if you have cooldown.
King,
Tell me if you
dito
have cooldown. Yo, bam, bam, bam. Heal front, heal front. Everyone, south, west side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me, west side on me, west side on me, west side on me. Kite back to choke. Kite back east side choke now. Kite back east side to choke. East side choke, east side choke, east side choke. Hold them on the choke. Hold them on the choke. How many seconds? How many seconds? How many seconds? How many seconds?
3, 2, 1, up.
Okay. Oh, dude. Yo, there's a caller in front, ah. Yo, ready. Defend now. Fake. Sorry, fake. Shallow, on the caller. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the skull.
Ay po. Ang ina.
Defend. Good. Reset your cooldowns now. Reset your cooldowns. Another engage coming. Reset your cooldown. Yo, don't stay on the choke, guys. How many seconds? Hold them. How many seconds? How many seconds? Everything southwest.
Ready.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it. Now come back east side. Come back east side. Kite back. Kite east side. We go east side choke, okay? Now walk west. Walk west. Hold them. I hold them south side. Hold them. A lot of people died there, right?
Yes.
Dami.
Okay. Cleanses. Yo, cleanse.
Looking.
South.
Ready.
Ready to headbutt, okay? Ready to headbutt. South. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me alone. On me.
Nice.
Okay, nice. Kill this guys. Yo, reset your cooldown, ha? They're stepping up a bit, ha? Reset your cooldown, okay? They're on the southwest side, okay? Ha? Yo, some tanks watch my southeast, ha? Okay?
Hindi siya.
Marlika, step up southwest, okay? Wait, nah, come back. Yo, weaker tanks inside. Shallow on me, on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top me. Nice one. Kill.
Looking.
Come back northeast. Ready, defend now. Yo, guard runes. Go back to the choke. Pass the choke. Guard runes on the choke. Reset your cooldown fast.
They're getting stopped.
No, south. Step up. South. Look at south. Hold south side for me. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Ay, come back north. Sige, come back north. We reset first. Guard runes front. Help front. Cleanses. Help front.
Select.
Help front. Demon. Full defend. Good. Reset.
Thank you very much.
How many seconds?
Ready.
Up.
Good. Shallow, okay? Shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Kill it. Ay, come back. Sige. We need to kill the tanks, ha?
Coming
Oh
up.
my god. Ay!
Careful, front. Your front, don't be too far, please. Don't be too far. Help Selex. Help my people. Reset first.
Tinitingnan ko kasi yung parang bomb sa may west side.
Okay.
Shaper.
Yo, shaper.
Teka
Wala
na.
kay Demon doon.
Wala.
Nasa shaper ko.
15 seconds
Shaper naman.
May nagdemon.
Okay, just hold.
12 seconds.
Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside.
Bobo niya.
Bobo, high card.
Reset. Yo, careful over the wall. Ready. Wait lang. Everyone, step up. 5, shallow. West side. 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow me. Come back. Full defend on the choke. Reset. Hold them. Yo, reset. Hold them. How many seconds? Hold them. How many seconds? Everything on the G. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the J. Now kite back east side. Yo, kite back east side. Left down, hold them. Push on. Cleanses. Nice one. Walk in. Yo, hold the southeast looking. Defend. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast, southeast.
Color to, grupo.
Now come, okay, now hold. Careful. Come northeast. They have engaged. Come back. They have engaged. Defend front. Good. Reset. Walk now. How many seconds cooldown? Now walk southwest. Deep. 5, deep, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep on me. Now come back northeast. Defend backline. Heal backline. Come north. We go back choke. Yeah, we go back choke. Sige. We go back choke. It's good. We're healthy. Come back north. Come back north. Help front. Guard runes and guard runes. He'll touch me. Okay. Reset. Yung fucking disrespect that you say that you're fucking on par with us.
Ready, Mogi. Ready.
Oh shit.
Oh,
Nagre-reset yung chariot natin
yeah. Yo, ready? Fake only. West side, get ready. Headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side. Kite back. We full kite. Yo, full kite. Help everyone on the choke. Defend. Demon. Na kite back. Good. Reset your cooldown. Left and hold them on the choke. Reset. Shaper. Okay, reset. Sige. Reset. Yo, regear fast. Yo, wag kayo sa dito. Kanina pa may shaper dun eh. Dumidikit kayo dun eh. Okay. Yo, shaper again without any damage. What the fuck? Bang, patay ka na ba?
Di pa.
Yo, fake. Shallow on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the choke. Okay, come back. Kite back east side. East choke. Defend. East side. Kite. Heal hazard. May shaper kasi. Okay, good. Are they not passing through? Heal up, touch me. Okay, shaper. Gemma, wag kayo dumikit sa outside, man. There's a fucking shaper there. What's so hard to understand? There's a shaper on the south side.
Dalawa yan.
The west side has no damage. The south side is like fucking painful, man. the north side has
Meron ka?
fake. Yo, get ready. Leandro, get ready Pa-pull ng past the choke. Ipupull ko sa choke Leandro. Okay? Wait, guys. Wait.
Regear fast, guys. Wala ka ng
I'm waiting for my regears. I'm waiting for them to regear. So we have things to farm.
Pang solo headbutt.
Level 28 na sila.
Parang yung kanina.
Dimbi.
Parang di nabawasan
Sarap nun Solo headbutt.
Basta may gigbot, solo headbutt.
Yo, get ready.
Shaper.
Yo, guys, don't be at the south side. Just stay north side.
Hindi, may bago, may bridal na rin sila. Bagong
Stay at the
babantayan.
north side.
High card.
Pero meron yata.
Engage sa touch me.
Everyone counter, south shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt, south shallow. Now, we kite east side now. Yo, kite east side. Left and hold them. Kite east side. Come east.
Walang damage sila.
Reset. Yung shaper lang yung masakit eh. Invi Fury bomb east side Watch it, guys.
Wait lang, pack up yung sa Beamon.
I'm waiting for the gears. It's fine. Careful, GA. What the fuck is that GA even?
Nakatira por lang to. Okay na makulit ka.
Shaper.
Ulihin kaya natin yung Pogi.
Malayo eh.
Mabot ka yun. Nasa top ko para sa'yo.
Sige. Next time na gawin yun. Yo, Pike, the next time that Shaper comes in, I'll have my tank catch him. Can you try to pull him? We try to kill that motherfucker. Okay. Is my regear back? I mean, dude, we're 9 disarray,
Full na yung part dito.
Okay. Yo, come step up a bit.
Ako, shifter yung patay.
Come back. Wait, chill. Let's chill.
Dami.
He's gonna come soon. Get ready to headbutt that shaper, ah. Tanga yung nagsha-shaper na yan, eh.
Mas magaling ako.
No, mas magaling ka.
Siyempre.
Oh,
Yo,
Ay na mo ba?
yo, perma engage on top of me. Get ready. Wait. Step up. Perma engage on top. Wait. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Oh, fuck. I missed. Come northeast. Kite back. I missed. Sadly. It's okay. That's a fake. Just guard rune. And help everyone come back. I think the shaper's gonna come. Reset. Where's the shaper? Yo, get ready. Headbutt. Get ready to headbutt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt. Come back. Reset your cooldown, boys. Reset your cooldown.
Careful. Shaper.
Shaper looking, ah.
Nag-i-stack.
Yo, shaper stacking. Yo, get ready to catch, ah. Yo, you have engage?
Yes, ready.
Okay, hold on.
Hindi kay Jay, gusto mo yung Jay ko muna.
Mamaya, pag nag-ano siya.
Ano kay Jay, ano yung shaper?
High card.
Sige. Meron na rin clamper sa main southeast side movie ah.
Okay. I see it. Come northeast.
30% nagtatago sa Terry. Natingin yung high card, ah. Ay na, shaper.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shaper. Kill the shaper. Gago. Come back. Dude, like, oh my god, high card. Dude, I don't know, man. He doesn't have any tank like stopping him. Like, he's fucking engaging by himself.
Ay, kidnap.
May isa pa.
Nagreklamo pa yung high card na death daw.
Second E3 na yan.
Yo, get ready. Yo, can we try to catch the tanks? Look at the west side. You see I mark him. West side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him. Okay, come back. We miss. Come back. Guard runes, boys. Guard runes. They're gonna engage on the choke. Make sure you reset. Get ready, Get ready to headbutt. Hold them. How many seconds? Everyone on the choke. 5, headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Full headbutt inside. Then kite back. Kill everything inside. Boy, heal.
Buti
Matay
na
si Ali.
naiwasan ko.
Yo, come northeast. Yo, heal front. After. Heal front. I need my heals in front. Okay, good. My perma died. We wait for the perma.
May nakidap.
ay bad.
Chrono pa ba doon, Chrono? Need ko ng DPS. Or longbow.
Set up na ako eh. Superhero build.
Kasi tap ka na.
Oh, superhero to boy. Tingnan mo.
Ano yan, man?
Saan sa dito?
Doy, anong man, Doy?
Oo, walang bandoy lang.
Yo, chill. Chill first. I'm waiting for the game.
Huwag yung pansinin niyang e-saver na nakapir.
Porto lang yan eh.
Naka-portal lang yan. Medyo... Okay. Ang laki na ng dis-array nyo, naka-porto ka pa.
Everyone, headbutt 5, full headbutt 4, 3, 2, 1, full headbutt. Headbutt. Now come back. We kite full east side, East side. Guard runes on the choke. East side. Yo, sa GA, careful sa GA. You have my people at GA, Come east side first.
They're not pushing.
Okay, dude, why the fuck do they want to push? They're fucking 30 disarray.
I'm stopping them.
Everyone get ready.
Zero, you're gonna die there again.
Yo, Zero, be careful, Zero. I might be Shaper again. Fake.
May D-tanks ba tayo sa likod natin?
Yo, Leandro ako fake Get ready ka mag-engage Huwag ka masyadong deep, huwag ka masyadong jeep. Sa choke lang tayo mag-engage. We're just gonna headbutt the choke, okay? Wait. Yo, step up a bit, okay? But we're not gonna commit. We're not gonna commit. I'm just gonna fake, then we're gonna go back, okay? Step up a bit. I'm faking. Okay, come back. Go back. Ready, okay? Ready your potions, okay? We're gonna full commit, okay? Southside, power bot, southside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything's outside. Full headbutt. Drop all defenses. Everything. Kite east. Okay, hold them here. Yung mga naiwan dito, hold here. Reset your cooldowns. Help everyone. Kill everyone inside. Tell me your cooldowns. Hold them.
Up.
Everything southwest on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Kill everyone inside. Then kite back east side. Okay? No. Brawl inside. Spread east side, okay?
May kalaban sa north.
Okay, come east side. Kite. Ready defenses, cleanses, okay? Hold. Walk southwest now. Everyone, deep southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep southwest. It's the whole circle. Let's fucking push. Push now. Ano?
DPS ko, ang dami dito.
Yo, kill everyone inside. Yo, can you someone get the banner? Yo, don't push the choke. Don't push the choke.
Lex,
Don't push the choke.
Kung
Okay. Come southwest. Push southwest. Okay, push southwest. Holy shit, Chibal! Everyone southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest. Kill this guy inside.
May one shot sa likod mo.
Leandro. Okay, good.
Hill front, please.
Oh, hill front. Okay.
Thank you.
Come southeast. What's there disarray now?
Wala na yan.
22 disarray. Parang hindi nababawasan. Yo, come southeast. Catch southeast. I'm gonna fake. Everything southeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on the gate. Kill everyone on the gate. Okay. Good. Yo, can somebody watch my northwest side? Start bonking the walls here.
Pinapatay si Selector doon.
Okay lang yan,
Yo.
cheaper lang yan.
Yo, Shaper?
Ano yan? Tunay ba na shaper?
Hindi. It's not high card Shaper.
Hindi kita ma-invite. Please.
Yo, wait. Do you guys have a lot of loots na?
Bank muna.
I have 6M.
Kanila na yan.
10M
Do
sa
you guys
akin.
have...
Tara ba?
Okay, sige. Come north. Yo, boots. Occult.
Bang nakapanibago hindi mo na pinipindot yung katawan
Loko!
Mount up.
Kapag depth
Yo, mount up.
May umapak sa akon mo.
Nakamos na ako. Upgraded
Okay, come northwest. Yo, can somebody scout them? Tell me if they're going to me.
Ang sarap i-farm.
Ako na.
Aim farm.
Ang sarap ng last na engage. Na-set up
Wait.
yung-
Wait. We still have come northeast. We still have outlaw.
Ikot tayo.
Yeah, we go around first. We chill first, guys. Okay, we chill first.
Itong inong bubo nila dun sa last engagement mo.
Tayo na yung keyboard ko puno na laugh.
Laway.
Sorry,
Laway.
go okay. Yeah, sorry for the screaming, guys. Just too hyped up, you know. Enemy too big, then they're losing. Fuck. Yeah. We take off outlaw first. I think we have